Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to delete a Facebook profile from your account. Maybe you have an extra profile you created and you need it deleted. For example, this profile I created some time back. I created it just to show you guys this example and you want it deleted. First of all, you have to go back to the main profile, the main account which all the profiles were created from. For example, I had to use my friend account, this account, to show you this example. You come here and you come down to setting. I'm going to try and make this as fast as possible because this is not really that hard. Come to setting, go to account center, click on account center and come down to personal details. Click on personal details. You see account ownership and control. Click on account ownership and control. You see different details from memorization, deactivation or deletion, and reactivation. Reactivation is basically for accounts you have deactivated and they are waiting to be reactivated back. But we need to delete an account, so we come to deactivation or delete. For example, this account right here, J Guerrero. You click on it, you see two options. You click on delete profile because deactivate profile just deactivate the account and keep it there for a while. It's temporarily and you can bring it back whenever you want, but we need to delete the account permanently. So you click on this, give them a I don't you have to just give them a reason. I don't really take this into consideration. It doesn't really matter much what you choose. So I'll just say I don't no longer find this account useful. Then I'll click on it. Then I'll click on continue, and you see some questions being asked. Just come down and click on continue again, and just like that, all you need to do is put the password and click on continue and the account will be deleted. So thank you guys for watching. If you found this helpful, please click the like button, leave a comment if there's anything that you didn't understand, and I'll sure do to help you fix it or figure it out. Also, if you have anything you would like to see on this channel, let me know and I'll make a video about it. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.